Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Dan Adeboye from MoneyBiz, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can get MTN 1 gig for 250 naira at a very fast rate. Now the website I'm going to use is known as connectnig.com, and the goal of this website or goal of this company is for you to stay connected, enjoying high discounted rate on internet data plan, VTU airtime, utility bills, and examination checker. Now on this website you can get so many things, as you can get data plans, airtime, you can pay bill, and you can get examination checker. Okay, on this platform we must always remember that they are very fast, they have a high speed, and they have good customer support, and they're very affordable. So to be able to get your own 1 gig or data plan, either MTN, Glo, or anyone you're using at a very cheap rate, just click on get started here. So when you click on get started there, you'll be taken to where you can register. So literally all you have to do is just put your first name, your last name, your phone number, email, then you choose your type. So literally you have two types. So these two types, basically you have two types, and we have the free user and the activated user. So to get started as your own, just click on free user. Now as a free user, you will get MTN, like MTN, Glo, or any other network, but mostly MTN. Let me use MTN for example. You get MTN 1 gig for 250 naira, but as an activated user you get MTN 1 gig for 245 naira. And so the higher the gig, the lesser the money. For example, you will get as an activated user, you will get MTN 2 gig for 490, while a free user will get it for 500 naira. Share your gap. So that's how it goes. So now for this video you can just choose. So if you choose free user, you are not paying anything to get into the platform, and you start enjoying it. Now if you actually choose activated user, it's still the same thing. If you choose activated user and you're here to activate your account, so you gap, you still be on the free user dashboard. So we have two types of dashboard on this platform. We have the free user dashboard and activated user dashboard. So for this video I'm going to click on free user, or you can actually click on activated user, then just activate your account to 500 naira. You'll be taken to activated user dashboard where you can get it at more cheaper rates. So you grab. So you can actually go to this website, you see the pricing there. I'm going to show you how you can check the pricing. So let me just choose free user, then you put in your username and your password, then you click on register. So that's how you should just do. Basically click on register, then you'll be taken to the home, be taken to the login place. So I'm going to log into an account here. So I've already logged into an account here. So this account is known as somebody account, actually William's account. So I'm going to use this account to show you how this is being done. So when you come to this account, the first thing you're going to do is to fund your wallet. So you click on fund wallet, because this account actually has money. So if you're just joining for the first time, there will be no money where you can actually get your data or get your airtime. So you click on fund wallet. When you click on fund wallet, you'll be taken to the place where you can actually get your wallet funded. Now there are two ways you can get the wallet funded. One is either through bank transfer or you pay online. So, and I always advise people, I always advise my friends and family that I've introduced to this platform, that it's better they do the bank transfer, because when you do the bank transfer, there's no charges that is involved. In fact, it's the amount of money that you are going to load that you will get. So you get, for example, if you are trying to fund the wallet with 2,000 naira, with the bank transfer you get 2,000 naira exactly. But if with the automated, for the automated 2,000 naira, it's going to come with the charges of 2%. But actually you will get 2,000 naira on your wallet. So you get, but you getting it as if from your bank account where you'll be sending it from, an additional 2% will be deducted from your account. So I always advise you just load your wallet through bank transfer or bank deposit. Just transfer the money to my bank account. You can see my bank account here, and to this bank, Zenith Bank, automatically. So you get your wallet funded within 2 to 5 minutes. It happens automatically. So if you want to do it online, just put in the amount you want to put and click on fund. Then you will take it to Paystack place where you can just put in your credit details, and you are good to go. But I won't advise you to actually go through those long process. All you have to do is just to send it to this account. So when you send the money to this account here, 2209044522, my name and Zenith Bank. So that actually tell you that I'm doing on this website is actually owned and managed by me. So when you send the money, just come back to your dashboard there. Everything happens within just 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, everything is done. So you come to your dashboard there, and you are going to just click on live chat WhatsApp. So when you click on live chat WhatsApp, automatically you take it to your WhatsApp, you'll be taken straight to my DM. Just send me your name. After you have transferred, just send me your name, your email, and your username. And you can also send me a screenshot of the account, or screenshot of the of the receipt. But nevertheless, if you just send me your name, your username, and your email, I'm going to confirm the payment. Just within 1 to 2 minutes, I've confirmed it, and your wallet will be funded within 2 to 5 minutes. You see your wallet funded automatically. So you just relax and you see everything being done. So after you have found the wallet, the next thing I'm going to do is you can do any of these services. So airtime, data, cable bills, and WAEC. Then transfer, you can start transfer, bank transfer. Like this, you can transfer from your wallet to your bank. So you got maybe you want to transfer any amount from your wallet, is you can transfer any amount, but it comes with the charges whatsoever. All right, so now just come. Let's say I know this video is about how you can get cheap data. Just click on data now. So you click on data. I must tell you that this platform I'm using, as in this present person account I'm using, is a free account, a free user account. So let me see MTN. So you click on MTN icon. When you click on MTN icon, you will go to a place where you can actually get MTN. So I'm going to click on here. You can see these are the prices. 1 gig is for 250. Then 2 gig is for 500. You can see it as a free user. But if this account is an activated user, 1 gig is going to be for 245, 2 gig is going to be for 490, and you see it will be reducing a lot. I think this 3 gig should be around 333 naira. So let me just show you how it's been done. So I'm going to click on 1 gig for 250. After your phone wallet, when you put in your phone number, so let me just put in my own phone number here and just click on buy now. So when you click on buy now, automatically within 1 second, 1 to 5 seconds, the person or you, any person you are trying to register buy the data for, will get message that he or she has been credited. But if it's 1 gig, basically going to get 1024 MB. So that is additional 24 MB just to encourage the person and make life more better. So just click on buy now and it's going to just go. Now the person or you receive a message directly from MTN. You are buying MTN, so I have a message. You can see it's happening just now. It's not as if I want to just take a message. It's happening as notification now. Dear customer, you have received 1024 MB. That is 1 gig and 24 MB. So you have more than 1 gig, and it's going to expire 23/01/2022. So this video is recorded on 24th of December 2021. So it is going to expire in the next 30 days. So you have gotten this amount. Literally, it just happened like that, and you are good to go. So when it's happen, when the person has actually gotten registered and everything has been done, so your wallet, the money is going to be taken from your wallet. I see the thing has already reduced. So that's how you can get started. So ladies and gentlemen, it's important that this season, or whenever you're watching this video, that you just begin to get cheap data and enjoy life. So it's not a must you get it at a very high rate. Get cheap data, enjoy life. And if you have any question, don't forget I'm doing on this website. This website is owned by me. I'm always available. So just just come back to dashboard here, live chat, and chat with me live. And you can also join our WhatsApp group. So on WhatsApp group, you get your question answered and every other thing. Just click on join our WhatsApp group. Automatically take it to our WhatsApp group, and you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to see you inside. Enjoy life, get cheaper data, buy cheap airtime, and you are good to go. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you.